COVID-19 cases continue to climb here in Manitoba, with an additional 16 cases announced Monday. And now we're seeing the highest number of active cases since the pandemic began. The total number of lab-confirmed cases is now 558, with 196 of those still active. While many of the new COVID-19 cases are linked to a person who returned from an undisclosed location east and spread the virus upon return, Manitoba's top doctor says there is now evidence to suggest the virus is spreading locally.
There are small numbers of cases with unknown acquisition, which we would determine to be community-based transmission.
Dr. Brent Rusin says the increase in COVID-19 cases Monday was expected, adding that the best time to get tested for COVID-19 is 24 hours after symptoms first appear. Asymptomatic testing isn't recommended, and waiting 2 or 3 days for a test after symptoms appear is too late.
What we found was a number of our cases being tested many days after symptom onset, and so by the time we're connecting with contacts, some of those contacts are already symptomatic.
With K-12 students heading back to the classroom in the next few weeks, some parents are raising concerns that returning right now isn't safe. But Dr. Rusin says we need to learn to live with this virus for the next year or more, and a comprehensive strategy is still being developed so students and teachers can return and feel safe.
There's risk in not going back to school, and I think that we're also hearing those themes from parents and families.
The province's Minister of Health says to expect announcements relating to how educational settings will be made safe when students return to school. But the NDP's health critic, Uzoma Asuguera, says there is a total lack of clarity for Manitobans when it comes to how we are dealing with the virus come fall.
Ultimately, what we're seeing is a sort of hesitation to give clear direction and to lay out a clear plan for folks.
In the meantime, Dr. Rusin is once again reminding you to continue hand washing, mask wearing, and social distancing in hopes that Manitoba will flatten the curve once again. In Winnipeg, Mark Neufeld, City News.